I've just received this email from DVSA, the people that conduct the theory tests and practical tests, and it appears theory tests are being cancelled for the next 4 weeks at least. So all tests are going to be postponed until Monday, the 20th of April 2020. The DVSA are going to be emailing people with tests booked during that time to tell them their test has been cancelled and they will be refunded. You should not rebook or rearrange your tests at this time. You need to wait until after the 20th of April and see what the DVSA say at that point before attempting to book again. The DVSA have not released any information yet about what's happening with the practical driving tests. This is just information about the theory driving tests. We might get information about what's happening with the practical test tomorrow, Friday the 20th of March.